So I call my mom this morning and we're chit-chatting about this and that and every other thing. And I said, hey, Mom, what are you having for lunch today? Because we always talk about food. Yes, I am fixing liver and onions. And I said, are you kidding? Mom, oh my goodness. She used to feed that to us when we were little, okay, or growing up. There's nothing worse than having that. The texture of liver, just the texture alone. The onions, yes. The bacon, yes. But have it on the side without the liver. Mom, you can afford a nice steak today. Maybe a burger. How about a nice piece of halibut? But liver and onions, really, Mom? Still, she's going to be 85 years old. I just love her, but she loves her liver and onions. She loves the caramelized onions, delicious, yes. And the bacon, nice and crisp, delicious, oh yeah. But that liver, that chewy, ugly piece of liver, it's an animal's liver. And all those things, all those toxins pass through the liver. It was traumatic as a child. I just have to tell you, it was traumatic to get a plate of liver set in front of you. My brother and sister and I would just look at each other. Grab the soy sauce, grab anything, ketchup, mustard, smother it, choke it down. Oh, it was terrible. Mom, what are you doing?